afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for February 28th, 2017. I can't believe it's almost March. It's about 3 minutes after the close. If I sound like I'm slurring my speech, I am. I just spent an hour and a half getting some fillings done at the dentist. It wasn't one of those 4 martini lunches like you heard they used to do in the 80s, which I never did anyway. So sorry if my voice sounds, I sound a little odd in here. So just to let you know, right now, ES is up 325. NASDAQ up 450. The Russell up 1250. Almost on its high for the day here. Very impressive. You have the bonds down 18. The notes down 15. Pretty big move in the notes. You have the Dow Jones Industrial, another record in a row. 15 days in a, 13 days in a row now. Not up a lot, but 1561 gets the job done. Yeah, the transport's up 52. Gold down 640. What are you seeing in here that's sort of a reversal? Russell up. Transport's up. Dollar up. Bonds down. I guess the growth story, at least for today, is back in force in here. So to give you an idea in here, crude oil up all of 5. Advanced decline all day was up about the 500 in here. Very interesting is the action of the UVXY today. When the market was going up today, here we go again. Look at a 2-minute chart on the left of the ESs. Now on the right, look at a 2-minute chart of the UVXY. Give me a second to do this right. As you notice on here, check this out. We could do this on a 5, a 2, however you want to do it. I think it makes itself pretty clear that the ES is closed almost on their high and the UVXY just rocketed on the close. I mean, basically rallied almost a point. I mean, that's almost 5%. So the idea in there is there's some nervousness with Trump talking tomorrow night at 9 p.m. So to let you know, UVX only down 0.24. Nikkei up fractionally. German DAX up fractionally. Chinese market down about 0.7%. Not much in here. You have the put call ratios about modestly still just leaning a little too complacent in my opinion. So where does this put us with the market? About where you'd expect. Basically what I mean by that, you have the ESs going straight up in here, and the biggest danger now is that we're getting too far above a lot of moving averages. A lot of people calling for a reversion to the mean trade. Not a big old sell-off, but I'm telling you, just do this. Go and take off every index in here. And there, look how far away from the 20 simple moving average we are. Usually when we get this far away, you get a reversion to the mean trade. So I'm not saying we're going to crack or whatever. I just wanted to point out what I'm seeing in here. So just keep that in mind. So just to let you know, though, this is what we were doing on Simpler Stocks. For days, we've been talking about, and let me reset this to chart default. We've been talking about the Russell underperforming for a couple of days, but basically just consolidating right above support. Look at this chart on the left and see that support in this zone, and you could go and put this on a literally 184-hour chart, 180 days. Look at that support. Well, what's the moral of the story? This is why we also do a swing trading video over the weekend. I pointed out a number of stocks that if you do a certain scan, you'll be able to find stocks that have been in a bull flag while the Russell was consolidating. Look at some of the action in some of the stocks we pointed out. CMRE, nice move today. IPXL, here's another one. In fact, I have posted 100 different long ideas in the last 2 weeks. One of them is one watch list. One is I did over the weekend. You get that with your subscription. 83 of them were up today, and a lot of them dramatically. Look at IPXL today. The stock started this morning at $13.95, got up to $14.70. Look at FOLD. Here's another real winner in here. This stock opened today at $5.90, closed at $6.45. Those are massive moves. We've been finding a lot of these patterns. It's really exciting when they work like this. So just to let you know, we still have the $7 30-day trial. To let you know what that includes, it includes the chat room. I'm on from 9 to 10 in the morning. Premium video, a lot more in depth than what you hear now. The email alerts. I'm very proud of these. I show at least 6 stock ideas and 6 index futures charts every morning. I basically believe the overall market perspective is vitally important before you go and you mess around with the stock. The other thing, the unusual option activity, I've been showing in the premium video because I think it's better than just annotating. The other thing is we have a forum, a message board type of way to communicate with me or other subscribers. A meetup, very excited about this. Every other week I do a 20-minute to 1 hour video on all shapes and sizes. Right now we've been doing a series on feel, and all of those go in this learning center. They are free with your subscription. A lot of places charge $99 a pop. The other thing I'm excited about is the swing trade video. I listen to my subscribers that a lot of them can't be here all day, so I've showed longer term ideas on this swing trade video, and these have been having a huge positive feedback, and judging from their performance the last 3 weeks, I'm going to keep doing them. So I hope everybody's enjoyed this video. Like I said, sorry about my presentation today. I'm sure this will wear off by the end of the night. They did a lot of work, and my jaw's already hurting. So everybody take care, have a great night, and thanks for being with me.